Nature therapy has profound effects on mental wellness. Nature makes you feel healed and restored. Medicine comes from plants. Here are some inspiring quotes by John Muir. Come to the woods, for here is rest. Allow nature's peace to flow into you as sunshine flows into trees. And into the forest I go, to lose my mind and find my soul. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. Another glorious day, the air as delicious to the lungs as nectar to the tongue. There is something magical about being in nature. You cannot put it in words, but you feel it deep within. This touches your spirit and caresses your mind. This effect brings energy and serenity. Enjoy the virtual walk in a remote forest. Listen to the rainforest spirits. Watch, like, share and subscribe for other inspiring nature videos. Thank you for watching.